A very warm welcome to Ulwazi Nezindaba. Please don't forget to comment and like, and if it's your first time tuning in, kindly do subscribe. Thank you. The second wife of polygamous Mosamseleko Umayeni is coming through with the video la khona akhuta abantu abatshela ukuthi they should learn to back off and mind their own business kakhulukazi makube nenhlonipho phela. This follows after Umayeni commented on a picture that was posted by Uvuyokazi. Siyathi muskokuthi Uvuyokazi with Mpumelelo have a son together, although they have parted ways. So on the picture la khona umvana beka bedeya. So apparently the picture was posted, after le bedeya lomntwana. So Umayeni as a grandmother washo was hi, happy birthday Kehlalam haibo, and it sparked some sort of argument amongst fans. La khona a particular lady said ukuthi Umayeni sangaze atfole tinkundleni tokuxhumana ukuthi her grandson uyabhedeya or bekabhedeya, whichever the case may be. And Umayeni uyasho ukuthi I cannot not comment nangibona uVuyokazi aposte umtukulu wami. So this lady that was dragging Umayeni nje uqale nje indzaba lenkulu ngalendlela lesimanga, because uthena lokhu uqhubeka uyilandzela lendzaba kwavela ama-allegations la khona Umpumelelo phela allegedly kuthiwa yena akamnakekeli mfanakhe naVuyokazi. So people were like, hi, Umayeni should just relax. It's not that much of a bigger deal, because we know ukuthi Vuyokazi does everything and anything for umntwanakhe. And then there were also those la bebemekhona naMayeni bathi Tim Mayeni, Tim Mseleko bathi bona hayi nini information lengaka seniyithola kuphi, nitshele ngibani, do you know everything that goes behind or what goes on behind closed doors? Nini nayo concrete evidence of lendo lenikhulumako? Hi guys, asat you. And guys, one thing that's a bit confusing, man, is that as a country we are currently preaching unity as bafati kakhulukazi kokuthi let us stand together against feminism and GBV, whereas on social media platforms, guys, kuma comment section siyalekana ngenhlamba, we are dragging each other ngalendlela lesimanga. Guys, asinakuthula, because a majority of the people that were commenting laphayana dragging Umayeni, bambita ngelqoki, and all these other names that you can think of are women. And also the women lebe basathukana bathuka labanye because domunye is favoring Umayeni, lomunye akamvumi kuMayeni. Yo guys, it was a disaster on that comment section. You are very much welcome to share your views.
Oxela indaba ningayibuzeli. Hey, siyahlukumezeka lana ko Facebook no Instagram. Kulokhu bepostwe isithombe sikaNzulu ubhoti kaSinga. So ilanga baposte ngalo, abapostanga ngebirthday yakhe isithombe. UNzulu ke ingane yami naye. So awukwazi ke mawupostile ukuthi ngingasho lutho ngengane yami. Amakhehla wonke lawa omabili. Hey, angazi usisi engingamazi ngoba ngishilo ukuthi happy belated birthday khehla lami. Hey, usisi wabantu. Angazi bani noma umagayise noma umagayise whatever, kodwa kuyinto ethi mayiyele lapho ngoba ngisakhumbuli kahle. Wanyuka ngami bongafunga ukuthi hayi ingane eyakubo, ethi nje ngikhunjuzwa social media ibirthday yengane ubheke nje angazi lutho. Musani ukusihlukumeza kanjena bakithi ngezinto ezinganifuni. Abantu bathatha izinkinto zabantu kube yizinkinga zabo, bazenze kube ngazuthi ke manje ke hayibo, hey bafuna usilawula, nina nifuna ukusilawula la. Umuntu ufuna ukukulawula ngezinto angaqondene nazo, uxake ukuthi hayi lona ungenaphi ngoba lengane kuyona nje yaku ngithi ngiyabheka ngoba asazani nje uze wathi ngoba sathatha impilo yethu sayifaka la kwi-TV bayangena. ngathi mina uyayazi i-birthday yale ngane ukuthi inini. Awucacise yakini kanti le ngane ukuze phela ngazi ngoba phela ngingaphinde mhlambe ngisho lutho ngoba phela ngeke ngingasho maba ukuthi kusayile yami ingane. Hayi banyuka abantu ngami. Ngasho ngathi hayi ngeke inkosi yami ngingaphendula. Hayi mina ngizoniphendula guys uma ngabe nihambe ningifake ezintweni ezingahlangene nani nokuphambanisa izinto nje futhi. Ngoba umuntu uma ngabe enenkinga nabanye abantu musani ufika nihamba nisifake ezindabeni zezingane. Izingane ezami njoba kuyizingane zikaMpumelelo ukuthi kwenzekani kubona akuhlangene nami phela. Noma ngabe kubuhlungu noma ngabe kunjani, yes nami ngomuntu wesifazane kwakuzoba buhlungu nami kumina njengoba kwakubuhlungu nakuma wengane into eyenzeka kuyena. Kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi manje nafanele nisithathe noma kanjani ngifuna ukusilawula. Kufanele sizwe ngani ke manje ukuthi kusho kufanele ngingasho ukuthi happy belated. Fanele ke manje ungitshela ukuthi hayi anikwenzi ukuthi awuyazi inkinga yabo, angiyazi nami inkinga yabo. And futhi nizosifaka nje ezintweni angikwazi angihlobene nawe ungazi ukuthi ungibone lapha ku TV akusho ukuthi usuyangazi ngalendlela yokuthi ke sekufanele ungitshele ukuthi ke ubheke ngimkhunjuzo social media ukuthi birthday yengane kanti phela birthday yengane mina ngiyayazi ukuthi yini. Guys musana ukusiphatha kabuhlungu kangaka ngempilo yethu. Yebo niyayazi leya elapho kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi phela seniyazi ukuthi siphila kanjani. Ake nihlukana yabona nje izingane zami ngiyacela bandla niphume kuzona lezi izingane nje azihlangene nani. Akubhulisha usingabakho ngelinye ilanga senikhuluma indaba yonzulu. Bakithi ake nibenze nje abantu bakhululeke mabepostile bakhululeke ngingasuka umuntu nayo nengane yakhe embi bese emva kwaloko azophawula uthi uyabheka awuyilokhile neprofile yakhe ngoba uyazi ukuthi nje bandla unezingane zakhe naye ezimbi. Hayi guys yekani izingane zami bakithi uma beneyinkinga bakithi nabantu musani ke nje ake nikhululeke abantu bakhululeke njengani. Ngeke zowe ngize ngikuignore uma ngabe uzophawula kwento especially yabo awukwazi ukungitshela ukuthi ngikhunjuzwa social media ukuthi birthday yengane ngibe ngiyazi mina ukuthi nini. Ingakho kade kufanele ngikuphendule ngikubuza ukuthi uyayazi yini ukuthi wena nini birthday yengane. Angithi mina ngiyayazi vele ukuthi nini. So uyabona ukuthi funa phela kwesinye isikhathi umuntu uthi noma uthule phela umkhumbuzo ukuthi lisini ayihlangene vele nawe phela le ndaba ingane. I-birthday yengane mina ngiyayazi ukuthi inini. Musu kwenze ngazi ukuthi yakini le ngane uzenza into lokhuzayo ezoloku ihamba iphawula.